Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and share your wish list on SHEIN to your friends. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your SHEIN application and tap on the me icon on the bottom right, or you could also simply tap on the heart icon on the top right on this home page. And now, as you can see, this is going to be your wish list. You can simply go ahead and click on board, and you can click on create board, and or you could just go to this application and then simply go ahead and add to let me just go ahead and do it real quick. So you can simply go ahead into your board, create board, write your board. So simply go ahead and click on create board, select the one on your wish list and click on add to board. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and share this board to your friend, just like that. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll